Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours.
It's your boy DaeDae, and we back with another one. This video and this bike is sponsored by no other than, you know, my people in Texas. Go PowerSports, man. Dun, dun, dun. I'm about to get this bike loaded up. I gotta go over the bike. I even really showed y'all the bike. Go check out my Instagram at InTheLifeWithDaeDae. If I'm saying it on Facebook also, so go ahead and hit follow on there. Go ahead and hit subscribe, like, comment, and share while you watching this video too. If you're ever looking for where to contact or find these parts or mini bikes, guess where you can go shop at. Alright, so now that I got this throttle all loosened up, I'm gonna just pull this thing off. So we're gonna pull the bars off. So let me go ahead and come back over here to this out set. We working, we get into it, loosen it. So do a quick little twist and twirl. Guess what? I got my goggles on, but I ain't using them. How about that? Let's loosen up. I might get a little bit of a challenge. I'm gonna cut those zip ties, so that's real quick. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead. Got that loose and I'll go ahead and get that all nice and pretty smooth. Oh, I'm gonna fix them now. See that? After eternity of searching, went ahead and get it down, man. So go ahead and loosen it. Get that quick little twist and twirl, pull that brake off. Good thing those are no longer good. Oh yeah, these got quite a bend to them, buddy. You know, naturally they come with a bend, but they're not supposed to look like that. You feel what I'm saying? So let's compare. Let's compare the new ones to the old ones. This is this one straight, and this is this one straight. You feel what I'm saying? So we finna go ahead and start. Oh, let's lift the neck to see, make sure the neck is good. Make sure, feel me, the bottom portion. Okay, these got a little bit of a warp in it. You feel me? The forks got a little bit of a warp in it, as you can see. When we doing this build, we may be mindful, cause we'll be alright though. We'll get it going, get it in, man. It's your boy DaeDae. We doing it big, man. We doing it big, large, and in charge. So I'm finna go ahead and prep these risers to go on these bars. But we need both hands to make this process a little faster, because I know the video going a little fast. We got things in rotation, so let me go ahead and get this right. I'm gonna come back, get y'all right. And we finna go ahead and get it in, man. We doing it, man. Hey. We doing it, man. That's all I'm saying. So I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Yeah. And this house going down. It's going down. All right, so go ahead. We're gonna get this. This is the short version of the long screw that they have. They have two versions that come in the box. You're gonna get a super long version. This is a short version. So we're gonna go middle bolt hole. Sorry about that. With the bubble closest to the top of the front of the fork. Go ahead and get that started. I'm gonna go ahead and get the second one started also. Remember, in the middle, bubble closest to the front of the fork for me. Go ahead and flip this around. Alright, I can tighten it all the way up. Leave it a little untight. I gotta wait till I put the bars on. I ain't gonna tighten it all the way up. You never wanna tighten anything up until you're completely ready to finalize it. Go ahead and get these drag bars on. And drop the caps on there. Boing, boing. Fresh and so clean. You want to start every bolt by hand, so you never want to mess up the threads. You know what I'm saying? Alright, get us a quick little. Couple things you want to look out. You want to look out for the distance, how much space you got between each side. You want to make sure that the bars as even as you can to the center of the frame. Just that way, you know, your arm width would be the correct way. I'm gonna eyeball this for now, but pretty good at eyeballing for my stuff real quick. Alright, I look a little satisfied with that. You know, we always can do fine tuning and fine adjustments later, but this is all about eye, just so I can see the brake on and off switch. Now we need to work on this throttle. We're gonna work on getting this head out. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, probably with, I don't know, some needle nose pliers or something. I don't know, I gotta try. I don't think I tight. Ouch! I'm not sure how tight I tighten the top of these. Just so I can see. Alright, got a little something. Got a little something in there. Ain't much. Just a little something. Alright, so that's as loose as that's gonna go. So. Actually, I kind of loose on that side. On the back now. There we go. Now I got some more slack. Gotta loosen up the. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and throw the curved round portion for your throttle up in there. Hold on. Let me get it right. Let me get myself right. There we go. And go ahead and boom. Once you slide your barrel piece inside your throttle, go ahead and throw the cap on. There we go. Right, there we go. Boom. You don't. Once you push your throttle on, you want to back it off, you know, ever so often. Right there. Just a little smit. Just give yourself some room. You'll never want to Phones I ain't overdue. These stuff's running to play with. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these screws up on these handlebars so I can see where this throttle at. So I can tighten up the back piece of the throttle where that throttle actually connects for the stock carburetor. You know, because everybody carb and stock carb will be two different type of carb. We're gonna go back to the back. Go ahead and tighten up this little throttle piece in the back. Make sure that's all good. Make sure that got all the slack up out of it.